Hello. You're on the Make Money News channel. Former Georgia quarterback Justin Fields is set to transfer to Ohio State and begin classes there in the coming weeks, according to multiple news reports. Fields, one of the nation's top recruits in the class of 2018, backed up Bulldogs starter Jake Fromm this season and played sporadically in 12 games. He threw for 328 yards and 4 touchdowns while completing 27 of 39 passing attempts. He also ran 42 times for 266 yards and 4 more scores. Fields told Georgia coaches he was looking to transfer before the new year and before the Bulldogs lost in the Sugar Bowl to Texas, according to ESPN, and was reportedly taking a hard look at Ohio State. ESPN and The Athletic reported that Fields had already packed up his dorm room at Georgia by Friday and was on campus at Ohio State finalizing transfer details. The Buckeyes will likely have a vacancy at quarterback. Heisman Trophy finalist Dwayne Haskins is likely to depart for the NFL Draft after throwing for 4,831 yards and 50 touchdowns during his third year, including Ohio State's Rose Bowl win. The Buckeyes also return redshirt freshman Tate Martell to challenge for the starting role. Fields would likely have to sit out a season, per NCAA transfer rules, but his family reportedly retained attorney Thomas Mars to petition the NCAA to allow him to play right away. Mars worked with Michigan quarterback Shea Patterson and 5 other former Mississippi players to obtain waivers when they left the Rebels program when it was hit with the 2018 bowl ban. Fields' case will reportedly include an incident at Georgia in which a Bulldogs baseball player allegedly made racist comments toward Fields. The player was dismissed from Georgia's baseball team. Fields is the second Georgia quarterback to transfer because of Fromm's steady play. Jacob Eason was the Bulldogs starter heading into the 2017 season, but sustained a knee injury in the first game of the season. By the time Eason returned to game shape, Georgia coach Kirby Smart was comfortable with Fromm and left him under center. Eason transferred to Washington to back up Jake Browning. And as early as spring practice, it was clear this Bulldogs team was Fromm's to lead, especially after he opened the season with 9 touchdowns in 4 games, helping put Georgia in position to compete for a college. Thanks for watching. Click like. Remember to subscribe.